Create delicious meals with this stylish built-in electric single oven and gas hob pack from Smeg. It's packed with amazing features to make cooking effortless. The oven has an A+ rating for energy efficiency and a large 70-litre capacity, so there's plenty of space if you like to host dinner parties. There are 4 burners on the gas hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. If you're looking for rapid and responsive cooking, this gas hob is the ideal choice. Because you can adjust the temperature so precisely, gas hobs offer greater control. So instead of clicking the dial from one heat level to another, you can fine-tune the flames to suit your cooking needs. Whether you're making a tasty meal for one or a feast for the family, you'll get delicious results in no time. Smeg's amazing Circulaire feature creates an even temperature throughout the oven. The combination of the fan and a circular heating element at the rear of the cavity push hot air to all corners of the oven, cooking food quickly and evenly. Because hot air is constantly moving, flavors won't transfer, so you can cook a variety of meals simultaneously. This means you'll cut down on cooking time and have perfectly cooked food no matter which shelf you place it on. If you're looking for a built-in single oven and gas hob pack with amazing features to make cooking effortless, this stylish model from Smeg is an excellent choice.